I am Judy, the sodium attacker. I attack sodium at every opportunity. My tap water has sodium in it. I buy my water at Costco. 6 gallons for $3.99, including tax. Comes up to 66.5 cents per gallon. It has no sodium. It's the most convenient way for me to do it. I can't lift a 5-gallon thing of water and turn it upside down and put it in a little deal so I can get water by the cup. This works. And for me, this is the most economical way to go. As we go through these little tips, you'll find out why. A lot of the things that are on the market, that filters and different things, ending up costing a lot more money per gallon than this does. If my tip for the day got you thinking about your water, leave me a comment or a question. Maybe give me a like in there. Subscribe to my channel for more tips that'll be coming your way. From Judy, the sodium attacker.